Here are the 25 of the weird things caught on security cameras. Before we continue, don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel. A sand sculpture which probably took hours to create was captured being destroyed by these two girls at an iconic Hawaiian resort. Although this is not caught on CCTV, why this weird moment where a girl uses a parking barrier to limbo? When a CCTV camera broke, it filmed people walking funnily on the road. If losing all hope had a face, this bartender would be it. Karma hit this doctor in the face as he tried to flip the rubber glove at his co-worker, but ended up doing this. When a worker leaned against the fence, an embarrassing thing happened. A woman was caught stealing an Uber driver's tip. This girl was caught on camera trying her best to walk past this icy sidewalk. A pool turns into a tsunami when a 7.1 earthquake struck. The woman was caught on camera saving her phone until her husband came to help her. A woman was stealing a delivery package from the door of a house. However, the robbery went wrong as this happened to her. This pizza delivery man started eating the pizza in the elevator before delivering it to the owner. A little boy got stuck in the elevator while trying to hold the door open for his father with an umbrella. The poor kid got stuck in the 25th floor for several moments before being rescued. There is a show in Japan where they set up a CCTV camera to get the unknowing victim's reaction by removing the floor of an elevator. A woman was caught on CCTV spray painting a guy's coat while waiting for the train. Very weird indeed. Sometimes you won't really expect what weird thing you will see outside, like this sword ball rolling across an intersection. A man pushing his car out of the garage fell into a pit without realizing it was there. Another weird thing that happened when an uncontrolled vehicle broke the fence and crashed into a swimming pool of a house. A shoplifter had failed the attempt at robbery as she crashed into the glass door face first and fell. A woman who was texting trips over the ledge and falls into the fountain. A CCTV footage showed a wild bear entering a grocery store and wrecking things for food to eat. In a very funny event, a black bear was seen perfectly opening a car door and letting itself and its 4 cubs inside the car. When a man tried to put a golf bag on the top shelf, but he will surely regret what happened next. A man tried to throw a brick at a parked car for no reason. However, karma struck him as the brick bounced off the window and into his face. A package delivery man trips on the steps of a house with Halloween decoration. However, he snapped and started doing this. This burglar was seen in a surveillance video leaving with stolen items in garbage bags. A garbage truck had an epic fail of a moment as it threw trash all over the place when the garbage was stuck inside. A dog got a little too excited for a walk when he did this to his owner, just as she was locking her house. A kid was having some trouble while moving a trash can on a windy day. The trash can swerved around here and there while taking the kid with it. In very surprising footage, a waiter slips and falls with food in his hand, but a miraculous thing happened. For no reason, a girl stands up on a chair in an empty cafe to surprise her boyfriend. Watch what happens next. Watch what happens next when a man enters a restaurant and touches the door's handle. This attention-seeking dog was limping on the road as if it had a broken leg. When a man came in to help, he didn't expect this. Thanks for watching. Be sure to give a like if you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.